مرحبا, كيفكن? شو الأخبار? So today we're gonna know, because I'm sure for the last classes you still asking yourself إنه what is حركات in Arabic? حركات, which is the short sounds. We agreed about that, right? We agreed about that. So we have the vowel letters A, O, E, and the حركات. Let's say now we have, for example, ba, ba, right? Let's write ba. You see? Ba, ba. طيب. Be, be, be. You see the difference? Be, be. Bo, bo. Bravo. Bo, bo. You see the difference? Short sound and long sound. Ba, ba. Be, be. Bo, bo. Okay? So this is the difference between the harakat, which is this one called fatha, and the other one called kasra. Underneath make the sound b, and the last one dammi, bo, dammi. Okay? طيب. So now we are gonna know as well about, we're gonna write some words. So now you know all the letters, and then we have so which is ha, and then o, and then he, he, he. If you see some people actually they write it, they write huwi, they put with e. Some people for he, she, they write it to e. But because it's subject pronoun, which is like the formal shape of it, like two letters just. Huwi, he, she. And then now we have as well henni, they, henni. So now, do you remember last class we were talking about ana, inta, inta, inti. You plural, ento, bravo, ento. And then نحن, هو, هي, هني. ممتاز. هني. So, and then this is the subject pronoun. So نحن, we, هو, he, هي, she, هني, they. مظبوط؟ مظبوط يعني right. مظبوط. طيب, now we have this one. مرحبا, which is ma, ha, ba, a. مرحبا. شو يعني مرحبا؟ hello بالعربي. hi, hello, مرحبا. So we have as well K, A, F as well K. So ki, fa, try to connect it. Ki, fak, ki fak. How are you? For male. For female, ki, fek, bravo, ki fek. For plural, write in the comment. See you next class. يلا عربي.